Hello and welcome to our Hethel showroom. Now available for immediate delivery is this Ex-Demonstration VF-2 Super Speed machine. With its high performance and its very compact footprint, it is the UK's best-selling vertical machine. With a 762mm X-axis and a 406mm Y-axis, along with a 30 horsepower, 12,000 RPM inline spindle, 36 metres a minute rapids, and a 30-station high-speed side-mount tool changer, it would make a great option for all materials and industries. This VF-2 Super Speed machine is equipped with whips, our full Renishaw probing system including tool setting probe and spindle probe. Along with the software options, macros, coordinate rotation and scaling, and spindle orientation, allows for easy tool and workpiece setup, plus the added benefit of being able to use it for part inspection and tool breakage detection, making it a great package. There is a 300 psi through spindle coolant system fitted and a 4th axis drive and wiring installed, allowing any of the latest Haas rotaries we have to be plug and play. This, combined with a programmable chip auger system and programmable coolant unit, together with a simple to use remote jog hand wheel, ensuring that setting up and using the machine is straightforward and productive as possible. All Haas machines benefit from our latest next generation control, giving you 1 GB of onboard memory, a USB port along with simple to use Ethernet and Wi-Fi networking options. As with all Haas machines, this VF-2 Super Speed was designed and built in the USA and would be fully supported in the UK with our industry leading, unrivaled offering of spares, service and support. Part of this support includes our remote training, which we have set up here. This allows our trainers to give one-to-one training on the control and setup and the use of the machine and the options. Our vertical machines start from as little as $19,995. This, combined with our in-house finance options with Haas Financial Services, allows tailored solutions for your business to take the next step forward. Thank you for watching. Please call us on 01603 760 539 or email us via our website at www.haas.co.uk.